I'm going to show you how to set up your own R2 server with Fileflare. It's really easy to do. A lot of people would get overwhelmed with all the different details that you need to add, but it's actually really simple to do. So hopefully this video tutorial will guide you through it step by step within the next 5 minutes or so. Shouldn't take long. First of all, what you'll need is a Fileflare account on the right plan, so make sure you've unlocked the custom S3 option. And you'll also need a Cloudflare account. Once you have a Cloudflare account, really easy to sign up. Go down to R2. You'll need to enter your card details before you can create a bucket. So once you've entered your payment details, we're good to go. Okay, make sure you've got this page open in a tab, and then make sure you've got this page open. At first, what we're going to do is create a bucket, specify the jurisdiction. So obviously we're in the EU, so we're going to select EU. Oh, and give it a name, of course. Bucket demo. There you go. I'll take the hyphen out. So this is permanent, so just make sure you choose it. It's not public anywhere. This is just for setup purposes and for your account. Just make sure you choose the right one at the start. We're going to create the bucket. Then go to the settings page. The first thing we can do is copy this S3 API URL. All we'll need is this section here. So we can copy that. You can click the copy icon and then just remove this afterwards. But anyway, we'll go back to Fileflare. Go to the endpoint. We'll paste that in there. Make sure you don't have the bucket name on the end. It's important. Then we'll go to the next section. What you'll want to do is set up your own custom domain. We're not going to do that in this tutorial, but you should do it because you'll need to do either one of these two. For now, we're just going to do this. It's nice and quick. This is important. You have to set up one of the two here. Ideally this one, it's better. And then the next one, cause policy. What we'll need to do here is click add cause policy. We're going to go to Fileflare. I'm going to go down to the bottom here and copy this cause policy. Copy. And then go back to here. And then click paste. And click save. Okay, and now that's set up. And then the next step is to go back to Fileflare. So what we'll need to do now is fill in the access key and the secret key. And the bucket name, of course. We called that bucket demo. And then the region, I'll show you that shortly. What we'll need to do now is click back on R2. We'll have to go up to Manage R2 API Tokens. Create a new one. We need to select Admin Read and Write. And then create a API token. Okay, so what we need is just these two. So we're going to click to copy the access key ID. Go back to Fileflare, paste that in the access key. Copy the secret key. Go back, paste that in secret key. And now we just need to fill in the region. Alright, so where we'll get the region from is, you can go to our documentation here. We'll scroll down to the, where's the region section? Here we go. Because we're in the EU, we selected the EU, we'll copy this one. Obviously you need to see where you are basically and copy the right code from here. Go back to the app and we'll just paste that in there. Okay, and then now all those details are entered. Now we just need to select our terms, so you can choose what you like. Our suggested ways would be to disable that one because it'll rename all your files. You don't really want that because it will just rename all your files if you import them from your S3. I would enable this because if you want to delete one off of the app or within the app's interface, it will delete it from your S3 as well. Otherwise, you'll end up clogging up your S3, and if you don't use files anymore and you want them deleted, it won't cost you storage costs. Okay, so that is the recommended method. And then that's all you need to do. Now you just need to click save. And that's it done. If you have files under 300 meg, you can upload them directly to here. So if you go to R2, You can see the bucket demo that we created here. If you click into it, you can upload files directly to here, but only up to 300 megabytes in size. If you want to upload an unlimited amount, so if you want to upload a 1 petabyte file if you wanted to, that's ultra excessive, but anyway, you can do that now through the app. There's no limit on file size upload within your storage limits, but when you have your own S3 account or R2, you're in control of the storage limits, so you can technically upload a petabyte of files here if you wanted to, but that will cost you a lot, just so you're aware. So yeah, anyway, you can go to the upload page and you can continue to upload your files through here. They would upload directly to your S3. You'll see them here. And that's everything you need to know. That is literally all of it. So what we can do is go back to here. If you do upload files into your bucket, you can click this import button, and what it would do, it would just load in the files into the assets page here. These were already uploaded before the bucket, but yeah, it would import files and show them here. And that's everything. That's all you need to do. Very simple. If you need any help, just contact support and we'll guide you in the right direction.